In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Tally Forms. Tally is a versatile online form builder that allows you to effortlessly create and customize forms. Whether you're collecting feedback, gathering data, or simply organizing information, adding a text box to your form can significantly enhance its functionality. Let's get started by navigating to the Tally website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Tally's free online form builder page. Once you're there, you'll need to access your account. Look for the Login button, typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click it. Next, you'll see the option to continue with your Google account. This is often the quickest way to log in if your Google account is linked to Tally. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. A window will pop up, prompting you to select your Google account. Choose the appropriate account that's linked to Tally. After selecting, click Continue to be redirected to your Tally dashboard. Now you're in. You'll either select an existing form or create a new one for demonstration purposes. If you have an existing form where you want to add a text box, click on it from your dashboard. To create a new form, look for a button that might say New Form or something similar, and click on that. Once you're in the form editor, position your cursor on the line where you want to add the text box. This is where the magic happens. On a new line, type the command push text. This command is the shortcut to initiate a text box. It's a simple yet effective feature Tally offers to streamline the form building process. Once you've typed watch text, hit enter or return on your keyboard. A drop-down menu will appear with options, and you'll want to click on text. This action converts your command into a text box on the form. Now let's populate that text box. This is where you can provide clear instructions or explanations to users filling out your form. For instance, you might type something like, "Please provide your full name," or "Please attach a cover letter and highlight to ensure it's not overlooked." This way, when users interact with your form, they'll have a clear understanding of what information is required. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a text box in your Tally form. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential for creating forms that are both functional and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building!